Alright, welcome back. I've got the Audi Avant station wagon, and I got the cursed Corvette. I've got the, whoa, look at that. That is a Jaguar. Okay, and I got these two old ass Corvettes. Right? Now this guy, I've already polished them to 400 grit with these things. Yeah, these things. 120, 180, 320, and 400. Look at this guy. This is a good casting. Okay. Look at that. That's ready to be electroplated and possibly chrome, but that's not what I want to do. That's this guy. Oh, yeah. Oh. We'll get to this guy later. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I think the top's coming off. I don't know. Yeah. Here's the Audi Avant station wagon. Another example of a bad casting. I mean, look at that. Let me put this down. Look at the pits. Dang it, I shut it off instead of zooming in. You got pits. Alright, I really need the camera gantry. Look at the pits. All over the place. And that's polished. That's polished to 400. They're all over the place. Well, I'm not chroming this. It's going to take 2 layers of... Oh, I never got the blue out the back, but no one's going to see it. 2 layers of primer and some sanding with 400 to try to get those out. Maybe 4 layers of primer just to get those pits out. Hope I'm on camera. Sorry about that if I was off. I hate zooming in. But anyways, and here's the 2 Camaros I drilled holes through. Yep, drilled right through. These are polished to 400 grit. And still looks like warm wood. But as I promised, I'm gonna scrub this with the what's this? 120? 180. Let me look at the chart over here. Yeah, 120. Oh yeah, 120. Let's scuff that up. And we're gonna put that in the goop after I drill out the holes. And let's see what it looks like. Because all these have a nasty ass casting, and I'm gonna be very careful not to put the hole in the... And you see how crooked I was with that one. That one I was pretty spot on. It's hard to do. But we're going to do this one. We're going to put it in the Citra remover. The orange remover. Yeah. And then I don't even think I can get this to 40 grams, which is the minimum for gravity throttle racing, man. But alright, that's it for, that was a mosquito. I just saw a mosquito. That's it for tonight. We're gonna save this and do it again. I got other stuff to do. But yeah, let's see how this SOB comes out. I mean, these two, damn, I need that camera gantry. These two are pitted up. This guy's brand new. He's pitted up. This is my Jaguar. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, that's 400 grit. Yeah. Perfect casting, man. You know. I might do this one also. And see, one of these gotta be a chrome or a candy coat. Oh, black chrome. Yeah. Or you know, candy red, or candy ruby, or blueberry, or green. Oh, I love those colors. I gotta find. He's perfect for one of those to do some electroplating. He's perfect. No pits, no nothing. Man, this guy I just bought the other day. Look at all the pits on him. Dang it. But I'm not chroming him anyways. I'm painting him. Alright. We'll continue this tomorrow. What's this guy? Damn, there goes the camera again. Oh, that's a Screaming Eagle. Yeah, I'm not touching him. Alright, I'm gonna mess with this guy tomorrow. Talk to you later. Have a good night. Thanks. To be continued. Alright, let's get back to what I was saying. I'm grabbing this. I got the toilet truck. The toilet seat truck. I don't know if I'm going to get that to a minimum of 40 grams, but I'm going to work on that. Right now, we're going to move on over to the buffing station. We're going to use this guy. What is it? 120. We're going to scuff him up, and then we're going to put some goop on him. Alright, let's see. Is that the right color? We're going to find out. Alright, so yeah, brown is the 120. So we're going to buff this up. And let me just see if there's any wormholes in this guy. Yeah, oh, look, oh, yeah, that guy. Oh, yeah, he's a bad boy over there. Alright, so we're going to do that, and I'll show you later. So I'm back from outer space. Wait a minute. Wrong song. Jeez, I'm trying to find that look upon your face. I will survive. I will survive. So I know it scratched it up. Got the gloss off. The decals are gone. Little Hot Wheel decals, they're gone. So we're going to use the orange goop. And then we're gonna check it out tomorrow. I really hate to do this because if it comes out all pitted and stuff, like this guy, and like these guys, that's all pitted up there, pitted on the roof, that's pitted on the hood. This guy, oh, that's my Jaguar. Perfect casting. You know, I really want to put chrome. However, I got another one. Well, I can't use this guy because I glued the damn hood and dashboard in there. Not the hood and dashboard, though. The windshield and dashboard. But I got this guy. Oh. Alright. Yeah, I can do some electroplating. Look at that. That's perfect, man. That's great for electroplating. Now, if you haven't seen my electroplating videos, you can go back and find. There's all different minis. Zinc. Normally your primary. Nickel. Copper. Chrome. well, kind of fake chrome. Anyways, man. Oh, he's getting dirty. I gotta put him away. I gotta finish these guys somehow. I don't have what's that? Men in Black for the toilet truck. They're going in the toilet truck. Look, they're even the right colors, I guess, according to the movie. He don't have no hair though. He's bald. So screw the movie. That's what I got. That's what we're going with. Yeah, and these guys. Ah, man. All right. To be continued. Again.